Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Charge the Rockerz 550 to at least 50% and turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Put the headset into pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED blinks. This makes the device discoverable. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth list and select Boat Rockerz 550 to pair. Make sure the voice assistant app is active on the device. You'll need microphone permission. This first setup lets the assistant route voice audio through the headset, so commands register correctly. Once paired, enable the voice assistant shortcut on the Rockerz 550. Some models require a long press on a multifunction button to launch the assistant. You should check microphone permissions in your phone settings so the assistant can hear you clearly. Then, practice the wake phrase and concise commands. Ask for navigation, play music, or call a contact. Make sure you speak naturally and pause after the wake phrase. This improves recognition. If responses seem delayed, toggle Bluetooth off and on to refresh the audio route. To operate, speak short, explicit commands. Say play jazz playlist or call Anna and wait for confirmation tone before speaking. You'll notice better accuracy if you reduce ambient noise or cup the ear cup toward your mouth. The mic picks up clearer audio. If the assistant doesn't respond, restart the Rockerz 550 and your phone, then repair. As a final troubleshooting tip, check firmware updates for the headset. Outdated firmware can break voice controls, so update when available to restore full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.